Now to take a look at the weather, Louise. Lear has joined us with a beautiful sight for many.
It is, isn't it? Let's just indulge a little bit. How appropriate on Armistice Day. Not blue birds over the white cliffs of Dover, but blue skies. A glorious day across much of the country today. And I hope you're managing to get out and enjoy it, because you can see behind me all change to come through tonight. But enjoy the sunshine. The wet and windy weather will arrive slowly but surely across Northern Ireland this afternoon. We'll see gales, perhaps severe gales for a time in northwest Scotland, as we see some heavy rain arriving later on. But ahead of it in the sunshine, temperatures will struggle still to climb into double figures, but hopefully the sunshine compensating a little. Now, as we go through this evening and overnight, the wet and windy weather continues to move its way steadily eastwards, and it will bring some heavy spells of rain as well for a time, sitting through the spine of the country towards dawn. So it's going to be a grey and wet start for many, but not for all. And actually, in Scotland, it's not a bad day in prospect for Saturday. Yes, a scattering of showers blown in on a westerly wind, but the winds will ease down and there will be some decent sunny spells and not as cold as it has been this week. Some sunshine as well into Northern Ireland, and despite quite a lot of cloud and some poor visibility for Wales and the southwest, is a slow improvement through the day. The rain having gone through, it'll be sitting across the Midlands, perhaps through East Yorkshire into Lincolnshire, and through that southeast corner it's potentially going to linger all day. Now, not too heavy, but it will be a rather grey, damp, drab afternoon in the southeast. Behind it, somewhat brighter conditions, lighter winds, a scattering of showers, and temperatures milder than they have been of late. We could see highs around 14 or 15 degrees in the southwest. Just East Anglia, disappointing if that rain sits there all day. Now, as we move out of Saturday night into Sunday, the rain clears away, a ridge of high pressure builds. We could see some fog being an issue first thing on Sunday morning. But that front may well just linger for a time for Remembrance Sunday, but the high pressure builds in from the west. So for most of us, it's all change really on Sunday. England and Wales, dry and sunny. We could potentially see some wetter and windier weather into the far northwest. Highest values again of around 8 to 12 degrees. So the weekend, let's try and summarise all colours really of autumn into the weekend. A wet start on Saturday, the best of the dry weather in Scotland and Northern Ireland. But England and Wales will gradually improve, although that rain will linger in the east. But Remembrance Sunday looks pretty promising indeed. It looks as though for England and Wales it's going to be a cold start, but there'll be a good deal of dry weather in the story. The potential for some wet and windy weather into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Kate.
Thanks, Louise. Before we leave you, just a reminder of our main story then. There's lunchtime. The nation